right, well, right now I am in Gettysburg, Pennsylvania, and it is Christmas time. But here's the deal. Here at Gettysburg Museum of History, it's pretty much Christmas every day because the things that come rolling into this museum on a daily basis it's just ridiculous. So anyway, today we're going to do a little unboxing and see what historic artifacts have come rolling in right here at the Gettysburg Museum of History.
So we're going to have one of our famous unboxing videos today, and I'm pretty sure of what's in here. This is some of the, we don't just sell German items, we sell a lot of Civil War items as well. So I'm going to get my trusty Fallschirmjäger knife out, the recommended tool for opening boxes because they're super sharp. So I'm going to open this up, and hopefully it won't be too labor intensive here. Oh, not much packing material, good. So, we have some belt buckles, and we have a Union Eagle plate there.
Oh, nice.
Breastplate, and that is from North Anna. And we have a belt buckle here, a US belt buckle, and it looks like it's from Fredericksburg, and it has part of the leather tab still intact. And we have another belt buckle, and this is from Spotsylvania. And we have a sword plate here. This is what cavalry guys would wear for their sword rig, eagle sword plate, and it looks like it's from, it's very hard to read, something station. I'll have to get a loop on that one.
I wonder if is it maybe Brandy Station?
No, it's not. No? It's Treble Station maybe. So here's another breastplate, and this is from Front Royal in Virginia. Very nice, smooth chocolate brown patina, as we like to say. And here's another U.S. plate. Kelly's Ford Culpeper / Culpeper. This is a cartridge box plate. And we have some buttons here. Here's one from Spotsylvania. This is a South Carolina cuff button, Confederate. This is from Spotsylvania also. This is an infantry I button. And this is also from Spotsylvania. This is a North Carolina sunburst button. And we have one here, another infantry I button from Spotsylvania. We got some bullets in wood. Hopefully this has a recovery location because it's not listed on here, but I have a piece of paper in here, I'm sure. Got the bullet in wood. I'll keep that with it so I know which one's which. Here's another bullet in wood.
Oh, wow.
And here's a boot pistol.
Ooh.
Nice brass barrel on that one. Pretty large caliber. This looks like probably this is bigger than a 44 caliber. This looks probably like a 50 caliber. Probably foreign made, probably from Belgium or somewhere in Europe. A lot of guys in the Civil War would have these as backup weapons, and we got a lot of Confederate notes. Now, one of the most popular things that we sell on our website are Confederate notes. So we have some train notes, we have the $6,400 bill, another train note. So I'm gonna just do these real fast. So here's a 10. So, we authenticate these ourselves. I do it by feel and look. And if you ever wanted to get some, you can go to our website. We sell it all the time. Confederate money is one of the most popular items on our website. Here's some 5s. That one's not very nice. Or no, that's a 10, sorry. Here's a whole bunch of 5s all in one package. So we have a bunch of those. Here's a 50 with Jefferson Davis on it. And a couple more 50s and 100s. So if you ever wanted authentic Confederate money, just go to our website, GettysburgMuseumofHistory.com. All these items will be available on the website. They make great Christmas gifts. Everything is authenticated by us. We vet everything in here, and they come with a certificate of authenticity, so you know you're getting the real deal. And same with the belt buckles and everything. We have a lot of other material, so some really cool Civil War items, perfect for Christmas. GettysburgMuseumofHistory.com.
I'm going to add something real quick to what Eric was saying about this Confederate currency. Now, we have an episode where we talk specifically about Confederate currency that I'll link in the description. But here you can see, here's the President of the Confederacy, Jefferson Davis. Here on this one is the Vice President, Alexander Stephens. So, just like with any currency, well, you put pictures of the heroes of your country or the most notable members. Okay, so for the Confederates, you have Jefferson Davis and Alexander Stephens. Alexander Stephens has a very famous speech called the Cornerstone Speech that really kind of outlines the values of the Confederacy, where he talks about how slavery is the cornerstone of their country. So anyway, that's really worth looking up and reading to kind of understand a little bit more about the Confederate States of America. All right, now we're going to see what the heck is in this box here. While Eric is putting some of that other stuff away, I wanted to show this real quick. I mentioned that it's Christmas time right now, and take a look at this. These are like relic boxes that really make excellent gifts. I've been the recipient of some of these, and I have always enjoyed them. Okay, so here's like a bullet that was recovered near the Confederate line where Pickett's charge took place. Here's another one with a bullet and a piece of witness wood. And here's one here with some sand and a bullet that was recovered on Iwo Jima. So again, you can check out this stuff on the website, and they really make excellent gifts.
All right, so in this part of the unboxing, we will have some German stuff. I know who sent this, and this person is famous for overpacking. He makes sure the items get here intact. So hopefully it won't be too painful while I pull all this stuff out. So this is going to be a lot of the items that we sell on our website. Again, Christmas time, nothing says Merry Christmas like some World War II German items. Those are some female rad brooches. Two different grades there. And again, I apologize for all this packing material, but he gets it here like he should. These are two badges for Der Stahlhelm, which was the German veterans organization from the 30s, kind of interwar. The Der Stahlhelm is the steel helmet, and their symbol was the German helmet, and it was composed of World War I German veterans. And a bunch of wound badges in black. There we go. So we have these on our website all the time, one of our more popular items, and here are two in silver. And again, there's various grades of them. Black, silver, and gold. And here are some sports shirts insignias. Nice big eagles. These are fairly inexpensive. So that's Luftwaffe, Air Force, and these blue ones are Navy, Kriegsmarine. And these would go on a t-shirt basically, and it was used for physical activity, PT. And here are some stick pens. Nice variety there. There's some early Nazi Party supporter versions there with the swastika. There's a Nazi eagle, and then those are some SA stick pens. And I'll pull these off. He has them like this so the the pins don't get messed up, but they're actually stick pins. So pull one of these out so you can see it, exactly what it is, and it's really hard to pull off. There we go. So these are like lapel pins, but in the form of a stick pin. That's the SA one. And here is a long service medal in silver. And here are War Merit Cross second class with swords. And here are some West Wall medals. And here are some War Merit medals. And again, these are like some more common medals from the Third Reich. They're very inexpensive on our website. Great Christmas gifts. These are Hindenburg crosses. Now these came out, I believe they were authorized by Hindenburg in the 30s, I believe, and they were given to World War I veterans that served. And they're very common, and they're probably one of our least expensive medals. They're actually for World War I soldiers. I bought a huge collection of them a while back. I can't remember the exact number, but it was a lot. And we recently started getting really low on them, so I was able to purchase another collection of them. And here they are. So we'll have them available once again on our website. And again, these are very inexpensive. I forget exactly how much they are on the website, but they're one of the least expensive medals that you can get. So lots and lots of Hindenburg crosses, sometimes called the Cross of Honor from World War I. So yeah, we won't run out for a little while. And we got some armbands too. Oh, and some packages. I think, oh yeah, this goes with, so I think, yeah, this goes with this. This is the envelope, the large size envelope. And this goes with this. This is the envelope for that medal. They're packaged separate so they wouldn't get messed up. So some armbands. Armbands are always popular on the website. So here are some Deutsches Volksturmwehrmacht. So this is for the People's Army. At the end of the war, they had total war, and they asked everyone to pick up a weapon and defend the homeland from the invading Russians. And these are SA Sports Armband Defense, and they have also the RZM tag inside, which is the manufacturer's code, and everything was controlled after 1933, I think it was, by the RZM. So if you had a contract to make stuff, you had to go through them. And here's another one, and this one also has the RZM tag inside. Not quite as nice, but there it is. And these are RLB armbands, and you have type 1 and type 2. They're made out of bevo. They're woven directly into the cloth. You can see by turning it inside out, this is a direct bevo weave. And sometimes they actually say bevo on the back, but this one does not. And same with this. This has the direct weave. And oh, you can see this is the Gesh mark, meaning it's almost like a patent pending kind of situation. And so anyway, these are some medals we just got in, and again, I ask everybody, if you're one of those people who, their grandfather or your father was a World War II vet, and they brought a bunch of this stuff back, and you don't know what to do with it, give us a call, or email us, info@GettysburgMuseumofHistory.com. We're always looking for this kind of material. We pay top dollar for it. And if you're a collector and you're looking to buy this material, go to our website, GettysburgMuseumofHistory.com. I vet every piece. I look at it, make sure they're authentic, because there are some fakes and forgeries in the German memorabilia world, so you really have to be careful, and we send a COA, a certificate of authenticity, with each piece saying that we have looked at it and we guarantee that it's authentic or your money back.
All All right, well, there you go. This is just a small example of some of the insane things that come rolling into this museum all the time. So if you're ever in historic Gettysburg, definitely stop at this place.